Is winning a personal injury lawsuit fairly easy, or is it going to be a war? Attorney Brad Ryder says, "There is no insurance company or any defendant who would just roll over and pay for the full value of all resulting losses without a substantial amount of work being done. The value of your case has a lot to do with a few things. First of all, can you prove liability? If you can't prove liability, they are probably not going to pay anything. Next, what are the losses or damages, and can we prove that resulted from the defendant's conduct? Most cases fit either in the liability category or damages category. A liability case is where it is more difficult to prove that the defendant did something wrong than it is to prove damages. Typically, a defendant is more likely to offer to pay something in a case in which damages are in dispute, but liability is not. In a damages case, it is generally a given that the defendant did something that would constitute negligence. For instance, the defendant ran a stop sign, and that was the only stop sign in that intersection. It is pretty apparent who failed to yield the right of way. The issue in that case is going to be damages. How much is it worth? Now, consider the flip side. For instance, in a product liability case involving an airbag in an automobile, the most difficult part of that case to prove will be liability, that the company did something wrong. Most cases in which liability is disputed involve catastrophic injuries or even death. It requires a lot of time and a lot of effort, and also it depends upon your attorney. That most certainly factors into the equation. What is the person's reputation? Are they willing to do the work? Do they know what they are doing? Can they prepare a case for trial? Can they try a case? Can they win at trial? For a free consultation, call Attorney Brad Ryder in Huntsville, Alabama at 256-534-3288 or visit his website at www.ryderlaw.com.